Do you use live transcribe but don't want swear word to appear fully in the transcription? There's a setting that can automatically hide profanity. Let me show you how it works. First, open setting. Scroll down and tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Then tap open live transcribe. Now tap the settings icon at the bottom left. Scroll down and tap additional setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap advanced. Here you will find hide profanity. Then turn it on. Now when live transcribe detects a word that it considers profanity, some of the letters will be replaced with the asterisk. So if you are using live transcribe in a situation where you don't want profanity displayed in full, this setting can help keep the transcription cleaner. And that's how to hide profanity in live transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.